Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs for my subscriber. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the details. So keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is width is 10 feet in meter 3.04 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6.09 meter. So in the first we have two steps and sliding door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have a kitchen come living area. The size of the kitchen come living area is 9 feet 4 inches into 7 feet 2 inches in meter 2.84 into 2.18 meter. Here you can see the sofa arrangement, and also in the front wall we have a kitchen counter here. You can see here the burner and the sink area and also the refrigerator arrangement. You can see here the large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. After that we will go inside. So we have a common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet 6 inches in meter 1.82 into 1.06 meter. You can see here the water closet arrangement and also a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we'll go inside. So we have a room here. The size of the room is 9 feet 4 inches into 8 feet in meter 2.84 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and drawer arrangement and also large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so you can comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video and stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.